Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports Dynamic Island and that lock launcher is updated. This matters because older builds won't register the island hooks. Next, open Lock Launcher and grant permissions for notifications and widget access so events can trigger the island. Create or choose app shortcuts inside Lock Launcher. These become the targets you'll call from the Dynamic Island. Once done, tap Add Shortcut and assign a clear icon. Make sure names are concise so the island displays legibly. Now you configure the Dynamic Island entry for your shortcut. Open Lock Launcher's Dynamic Island settings and choose New Island Item. Assign the Lock Launcher shortcut you prepared, then pick the trigger type. Tap for immediate launch, long press for secondary actions, or a background event if you need passive updates. Customize the label and icon so they fit the island's compact space. Adjust animation and priority to ensure it appears above other system events. Make sure to test visibility in both light and dark modes. Finish by testing the launcher in real situations. Tap the island item, long press if configured, and observe the app response. If it doesn't appear, make sure Lock Launcher has widget and notification permission, then restart the phone to refresh island registrations. If problems persist, open Lock Launcher's debug logs to see trigger attempts and error codes. This helps pinpoint permission or timing issues. Finally, adjust timing windows or reduce animation complexity. These small changes often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.